Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I think I've fallen.
I've fallen. Oh my god.
Are you guys ready?
Okay.
Yeah, we're ready.
Yes.
Yes, we're ready.
No, go, run.
Guys, where's the crystal spawn? Where's the crystal spawn? Where's the crystal spawn?
Shoot, I fell.
Guys, you're about to get the Ashland for free.
Randomized. There's one over there and there's one over there.
Eli,
There's one below the timer and there's one.
No, I don't want the blueberries. I don't want stinky blueberry to catch me again.
He's already.
No, he's here. He's here. Run, run.
Oh no, someone died already.
Too hard because I just tried on the
Cole's full. H-U-R-O. He's coming over here. He's coming over here.
That was
coming over here.
That was not a microwave beam.
He's coming over here, guys.
Blueberries in here.
Coming over here. I think.
Alright, someone
Never
already
mind.
died.
He's over there.
Multiple people died.
Right there.
We're gonna
He's
get
going
rid
up
of
there.
fried
He's
chicken.
doing one of these headings.
No, I don't want my circuits to get fried. Ah!
Okay, but I'm more
I want blue jeans.
Guys, come here. Come here. Come here.
You're getting
I want blue jeans.
Get down here. Get down here. Get down here.
I'm gonna go do it. Wait.
I want blue jeans.
Better visibility. I'm gonna go try to see
scared.
so he's not better.
I'm so freaking scared.
Everybody.
I'm
Get
sure
down
you'll
here.
be
Get down
alright.
here.
I'm so freaking scared. I see him.
Okay, never mind. He's already been.
He found us. Bro, Blueberry was literally after me.
No, I don't like that berry. I don't like that berry. I don't like that berry. Ah, run!
19 seconds left.
Run!
Okay.
Blueberry can find me at any point now. Blueberry can find me at any point now.
Is Ethan or Lava?
He's right there. He's right there.
Hide behind the wall. Hide behind the wall. Okay, fake on you. It's kind of hard to happen. It's also not working. It's only worth it for the combat.
Where's the knife?
This sounds like Dark and Cavern.
Where's the knife? Oh, there it is.
But then it's the last 30 seconds literally is just the Dark Cavern.
I got it.
You go there.
We can do it.
Do not feel that way. Because I think it's a
We can do it. We can do it.
My fellow galaxy. My fellow galaxy.
We line for deathmatch. Fight.
Oh, I got
he's got a sniper tower. Bro's in the fucking tail tech.
If he gets close, if he gets close.
He's doing the fucking tail tech, bro. He's shooting from a high tower. He's animation music. Oh my god. Good at this. Even though it kind of sounds like Sergeant Pepper that completed it's the first part 80 times. Okay, get ready. Oh my god! I almost died. Furnace is actually no balance. Oh shit.
Let's go. Come on. We can do this, Sonic.
Furnace is no balance.
Are you from that code 4 earlier that was trying to summon rewrite?
It can spawn there, it can spawn over there, but I got spawn below the timer. Hide over here. You like what? Go, where is it? Where is it?
It's right there.
Where is it? Oh, where is it?
Come on. Come on. Yes.